If you don't like boxing but still watch kangaroos, then you'll love this. Meet the ultimate animal boxers, kangaroos. These marsupials don't just hop, they throw punches. Male kangaroos often fight each other for dominance or mates, and it looks just like a boxing match. Picture this. They balance on their tails, swing their fists, and even launch powerful kicks that can send an opponent flying. Their tails act like a third leg, giving them crazy stability and strength. And get this, some kangaroos can grow over 6 feet tall and weigh more than 200 pounds. So yeah, when they fight, it's no joke. It's full-on kangaroo MMA. Next time you see a kangaroo, remember, they're not just cute and bouncy. They're also the heavyweight champs of the animal kingdom. Who knew nature could be so wild?